There are two types of startups right now. One where the team shipped fast, the demo looked clean, and the investors were happy. And one where the same team is now 6 months in, nobody understands the code base, and adding a feature breaks 3 others. The second one is more common than anyone is admitting. Vibe coding became the word of 2025. Andre Carpati coined it in February. Collins English Dictionary made it word of the year by December. 25% of Y Combinator's winter batch had code bases that were 95% AI generated. The velocity was real. The hangover was inevitable. Carpati's original definition was, forget that the code even exists, which is fine for a weekend project. The problem is, startups took that energy into production systems that process real money and real user data. GitClear analyzed 153 million lines of code and found AI tools caused an 8x spike in duplicated code blocks. AI-generated pull requests have 1.7x more issues than human ones. Pull requests per developer went up 20% with AI. Incidents per pull request went up 23.5%. The security angle is where it gets actually creepy. 40% of AI-generated code contains vulnerabilities. Cross-site scripting shows up 86% of the time. By mid-2025, AI was introducing over 10,000 new security findings per month. That's a 10x spike from December 2024. The open source community already hit the wall. Daniel Stemberg, creator of curl, shut down the project's bug bounty after 20% of submissions were AI-generated slop and the valid rate dropped to 5%. This is literally AI slop DDoSing open source maintainers. The startup math is grimmer. An estimated 8,000 startups that build production apps with AI now need full or partial rebuilds. The total cleanup cost sits somewhere between 400 million and 4 billion. The vibe coding trap has a specific shape. Month 1 feels like a cheat code. Functions materialize, boilerplate evaporates, you ship faster than you ever have. Month 6 is when you try to refactor the payment module and discover it's not a codebase, it's a hostage situation. Companies built on vibe-coded MVPs are discovering the same thing. You can prompt your way to a demo. You cannot prompt your way to a scalable system. The architecture decisions the AI made silently in month 1 are now load-bearing walls you didn't know existed. Moving them costs more than building it right the first time. 54% of engineering leaders said in 2025 they plan to hire fewer junior developers because of AI. The problem is, junior developers are how you get senior developers in 3 years. You can't have engineers who can debug production systems in 2028 if you don't hire and develop them in 2025. The talent pipeline is being quietly destroyed. The devs who are actually winning with AI right now are not the ones who use it the most. They're the ones who use it on top of fundamentals they already have. They can tell when the AI is wrong, they review the output instead of shipping it, they're faster without being reckless. That combination is currently very expensive to hire. The irony is that vibe coding was supposed to make engineering irrelevant. Instead, it created the most expensive argument for good engineering in years. Every bad AI-generated system that needs fixing is a job posting for a developer who actually knows what they're doing.